How to create a WhatsApp group without adding contacts. First things first is open up your WhatsApp application, and from here press on this green button right here which says create a message, and go ahead to new group. Now from here we'll need to add at least one contact, then go ahead and next. Now name your group testing one, and go ahead and check. Now from here all you have to do to add contacts or add random members without manually entering their phone number, just press on the three dots right here and go to group info. Now you scroll down and press on invite via link. Now this is gonna be your method on adding members or sending an invite. All you have to do is to press on copy link and then send it to a message form in any platforms like maybe Messenger, Instagram, and so on and so forth. So that's how you add contacts, or that's how you make a group on WhatsApp without adding contacts.